It's a common practice in marketing to use tools for lead generation, but this doesn't necessarily mean that they are necessary. What it means is that some of the most valuable leads that you can get are generated naturally and without the use of tools. The truth is that there is no need to spend a lot of money on a lead that will not be able to generate sales from that lead. There is no way you can predict how well they will convert. This is why having a free tool such as an autoresponder, email list builder or lead capture page will work just fine. But using free online tools isn't all that good either. There are many tools that are designed to generate sales, but these tools can actually hurt your business. This is because they often contain ads that you don't want on your site. Some people use free tools for lead generation on the basis that it's free to them. However, when they have spent some time making it searchable and appealing to visitors, then they will get paid some commission. These tools are actually a trap. You should avoid free sites for lead generation and try to find tools that cost a few dollars. These will help you generate more leads with less effort than the free tools. Another problem with some free tools for lead generation is that they are so badly designed. You might end up with a website where you have to read through a bunch of text to understand what you are trying to do. If you are going to use free tools for lead generation, make sure they have been made by professional companies who have an idea of how the site works. Look for sites that have a high level of customer service. Also, look for sites that have been created by companies that are recognized in the market. Finally, if you can't find any free tools for lead generation on your site, you may want to consider looking into buying them. They can be very affordable, but if you are serious about generating leads, then you will probably want to use one of the top-rated ones. The most important thing you need to remember about lead generation is that it requires both work and commitment. If you don't have the time to make a difference with it, then you won't be able to generate many leads. But when you use free resources for lead generation, it usually means you are taking on more risk. This can put your business at risk. In addition, some of the free methods will require you to spend a lot of money to build a list and generate more leads. So you really have to decide what you want to do with lead generation. Do you want to make a big splash and create tons of new leads, or are you more interested in creating useful content that people want to see? If you are trying to sell something, then you will probably want to focus on generating great content. If you are not interested in selling anything, then you will probably want to focus on building a list of subscribers. This is the only way to get people to visit your site. If you don't know what you are looking for, then it is difficult to think of a way to generate leads without spending money. You may want to try out one or two of the free methods to determine which one you are most comfortable with. There are usually 3 different types of sites to choose from: pay-per-click, article marketing, and social networking sites. Pay-per-click sites usually cost a few dollars, but you will often get traffic that has already been proven through search engines. Articles, on the other hand, can be free to read, but they are more difficult to rank highly in Google and other search engines. Social networking sites can be expensive, but they are often a good way to build a list because you can use them to promote your products or services through the community. Once you have a group of people on your list, you can then start to build a relationship with them, and they can recommend your products or services to others. When you get them to become regular customers, you will have the opportunity to sell to them.